You will learn how to add binary numbers together. Okay, ji. I've already written two binary numbers. Let's add them. But before adding, you must understand four rules. Rule number one: when we add 0 in 0, the answer will be 0. Okay. Rule number two: when we add 1 in 0, the answer will be 1. Okay, simple arithmetic. Rule number 3 is interesting. When we add 1 in 1, the answer should be 2, but we write it 1 0. And as you know that 1 0 in binary is equal to 2 in denary. Okay, remember, you can convert it. Okay, so while adding 1 in 1, the answer will be 1 0. You have to remember this. And rule number 4: 1 plus 1 plus 1. When 3 ones are added, logically answer must be 3, but we will write 1 1 because 1 1 in binary is equal to 3 in denary. Okay, so we will apply these rules while adding these numbers. So let's solve this. 1 plus 1, so the answer will be 1 0, but we are writing 0 here. The second number goes as a carry. ठीक है, आगे हमने ट्रांसफर कर दिया. 1 0 था, we have taken 0 and 1 became the carry to the next addition. Now 1 plus 1 and 0 will not have any effect. So 1 1 again, it is 1 0. So we are writing 0 and 1 is carry. यहाँ पे मैं सर्कल लगा रहा हूँ जो कैरी है, ताकि आपको पता चले कि ये प्रीवियस जो है कैरी आ गया है. अगेन देखें कि इफ़ वी ऐड 1 plus 1, so again the answer is 1 0. So we will place 0 and 1 will be carry. So now here we will apply rule number 4. 1 plus 1 plus 1, it becomes 3 in denary, but in binary again we write it as 1 1. So first one will be the result of addition and the second one will be taken as a carry to the next addition. Now again 1 1, rule number 3. So we will place 0, 1 will be carry. Again add these two ones, we will place 0, 1 will be carry. Again the same rule, so rule number 3 is being applied. So here 1 plus 0 plus 0, the answer will be 1. So this is the answer of these two binary number. When we add these two binary number, we get this answer. Okay, before adding these binary numbers, you have to practice those rules. Okay, now you can confirm your answer by converting the first number into denary. Okay, I have to remove these carries. Now I will place its place value as we have been doing. 1 2 4 8 16 32 64 128. So what this binary number will be in denary, we will take only जहाँ जहाँ हमने देखा था 1 होगा, that place value will be added. तो 64 plus 16, it becomes 80 plus 8, 88 to 90, 91. So the number becomes 91. So this number, binary number, is 91 in denary. Now let's find the denary for the second binary number. अगेन इसमें भी हम वो प्लेस वैल्यूज़ लेंगे जहाँ पे नीचे 1 होगा. नाउ 32 and 8, 40, 4, 44 and 1, 45. So the answer is 45. Now let's convert this answer into denary now. So its place value is 128, the other place value is 8. So by adding 128 and 8, the answer will be 136. Let's confirm this. तो देखें 5 plus 1 is 6, 9 plus 4 is 13. So that means answer is correct. So our binary addition was correct. Okay. इस तरह आप बाइनरी में भी एडिशन करेंगे एंड देन यू कैन कंफर्म योर आंसर कि वेदर इट वाज करेक्ट और नॉट. आप इसको कन्वर्ट करके रफ में यू कैन वेरीफाई योर आंसर.